Asamaria tane gonkoro kwa Nyamora Nyabuto umurandi we kanisa ya The Holy Synagogue Church of Four Nations Kiogoro me ya gusigaiga. Amaoni ane gosa maoni aigoro gosa maoni ye kanisa igoro ye financial bill nelinga abantu baumire sana na inde yetekoba birengerero bya Nyasaye ng'abantu bakamuliwe gosa abantu bakamwe mpaka baere. So amaoni ye kanisa na amaoni ya Nyasaye gochase ense ya Kenya na sokorusie bango nkolinga, they must look into that because we represent the church and Kenya is the church. 90% of Kenyans niko bara bantu be kanisa. So the voice of the church nelinga, the government should look into that. Ogotaxi omogati, otaxi keviriti, what have you left with the people? This government is for Kenyans, and we support His Excellency, the President of Kenya, and we love him. I think it's a few elements that are in touch with the reality, but it will taint the good name of our President. So we just advise and urge, very close to power, bamanyenga, they are affecting the church because they are the church. Yeah. So the voice of God and the voice of the church is that the government should look into that, and they have to withdraw that completely. Otherwise, tutawashtaki mbinguni.